Welcome to Synthsoul Studios. Ever wondered how an AI-generated video song comes to life? Well, today I'm taking you behind the scenes from concept to creation, showing you exactly how I make AI music, bring it to life with lyrics, and then turn it into a visually stunning video using the latest AI tools. Let's dive in. Every great song starts with an idea. I initially created a few instrumental music tracks, usually the soothing, calm, and rejuvenating ones. Here is one instrumental track that I created. You may choose your own style, like cyberpop or ambient space vibes. There are numerous AI tools to generate the music ad song, like Suno AI, Riffusion AI, and Udio.com. For this project, I used Riffusion AI as I have taken a premium membership of the same to use the songs and music on commercial platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube, etc. But you can use the free version if you just want to use for your own consumption or learning, or just for fun. I usually try my own prompts for the mood or style and a general description of the song and music creation, but you may use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate a rough draft of the lyrics. Here's an example prompt. Write a melancholic love song in 4 verses and a chorus. So you will get something like this. You can use it as such or tweak and customize the lines to match the vibe of the melody. Let's try one with the ChatGPT prompt and one without it and see the results.
The coffee's gone cold in your favorite cup. The silence now sings where your laughter lit up. I reach for the ghost that still sleeps in our bed, but all that I hold is the weight of what's left.
Now listen to the second version of the same lyrics.
The coffee's gone cold in your favorite cup. The silence now sings where your laughter lit up. I reach for the ghost that still sleeps in our bed, but all that I hold is the weight of what's left.
And now listen to the song from a prompt we added without any lyrics.
I watch the minutes pass me by. Each second feels so slow. These thoughts of you won't say goodbye. They just won't let me go. I give up all I have right now to see your face again.
Now comes the exciting part, creating the visuals. I use Canva as I have a premium subscription of it, but you may use the free version of Canva, Filmora, or InVideo to convert the AI-generated music into a stunning video. Some apps allow you to just insert the audio and create videos automatically, like Pika Labs, Runway ML, or even InVideo. All you have to do is upload the audio, select the visual style, and let the AI work its magic. But I prefer to do it manually by selecting appropriate visuals from Canva and add them to the corresponding lyrics. This brings the human touch to it. Finally, I bring all elements together: audio, video, transitions, and effects. I also add a few personal touches like titles and color grading to give the video a polished, professional look. And that's how an AI video song is made, start to finish. From melody to visuals, AI opens up so many creative possibilities, and I'm just scratching the surface. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI music experiments right here on Synthsoul Studios. Got questions or want a tutorial on any of these platforms? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating.